Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw this cool watermelon. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. First, start drawing the shape of our watermelon slice. It should look like a triangle, but with a curved bottom line. Just like this one. Now, let's draw the right border by extending the side of the slice. And let's do the same thing for the bottom border. This will give it a nice 3D look. It looks a bit like cheese now, doesn't it? Let's now move on to thickening the outlines of our watermelon using a thick black marker. Take your time with this and don't rush. It's all about having fun. And remember, you can always ask a trusted adult for support and help. Well done! Now let's draw the eyes. I have decided to give my watermelon a cool pair of heart-shaped sunglasses. But you guys can choose any other shape or accessory that you like. First, I'll draw the heart shapes, and then I'll add a few more lines for the temples. Next, I will be thickening the sunglasses by doubling the hearts and making the rest of the lines a little bit thicker. And for the mouth, I will give it a cheeky tongue smile. What's your watermelon looking like, guys? Let's now grab our colors and start coloring in. I'm using red for this part of the slice, but you guys can choose any color you like. Good job! Now I will use pink for the tongue and green for the watermelon peel. I will be using a lighter shade of green for the top line and a darker green to complete. Make sure not to leave any white space and have fun with it. Last but not least, add some black seeds wherever you like. Fill in the sunglasses. And that's it. We have now drawn our cool watermelon. Well done, everyone. And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Olivia. I absolutely adore your two flamingos. They look so in love and so cute. I really like the fact that you used your own hand shapes. That really gives it a very sweet and personal touch. Well done, Olivia. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!